Hi guys, we are back again with additional. Additional, not in today's newspaper of Friday, July the 14th, 2023. No, in today's newspaper we have no additional, no extra puzzles, only two regular puzzles, the Sudoku Light and the Heavy Sudoku. No, I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the last Tuesday, July the 11th. And I've already solved one puzzle. I've printed out on paper because the original newspaper is lost. Yeah, already solved the letter Sudoku. So two puzzles remain: the tectonic, and it's time now for the Sudoku with 0 stars. Number 6753. 6753. Let me put this here. And it's the newspaper of 11th July the 11th 2023. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one I've not counted. This one has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 32 printed digits. Yeah, well, should be an easy one. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and a 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, the 1 star has 27 printed digits. This one has 5 digits more. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, maybe this one 12 minutes, 30 minutes. I do not know. We will see. Alright, so let's get us started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about? The 8 in this column, the 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here and an 8 in that row, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here 7 middle row, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then, yeah. The 9 in this column, the 9 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Well, 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in the second row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. Then. Well. All right. Need a 2 here. Come on. Yeah, 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here, 4 in the second row, no 4 there. Only place left for the 4 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. On that column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. Well, this Sudoku is familiar. Let me see. Yeah. 2 missing numbers. Do we have all the 7s? Yeah, and all the 7s are used. I can see, yeah, digit number 1, number 7. But come on. 4 here, 4. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Ay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here, 2 in this column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2. Thinking. 3, need a 3 there. Need a 5, need a 9. I know we have a 9 here. 5, I need a 4 here. 4 here. 4 there. Come on. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 in this box. Yeah, 6 in this column, no 6 in that box. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 cannot continue with the 6 now. Alright, need a 9 here. 2, need a 4 here. Yeah, 4 missing numbers. In this row, 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 4. We have a 9 and a 4 in this big square, so no 9 and 4 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and a 4. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this big square for the numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9, could be here, could be there. Here we have a 9, here we have a 9, that means in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be in one of those 2 boxes. Here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. Here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. So the only 2 places left for the 9 could be here, could be there. We see another 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and the 3. That means we have 1 and a 3 in this row. We have 1 and a 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. Let me mark those. 4 and a 5. Here also 4 and a 5. 4, 5 and the 3 is missing. Well, the 3 is missing in this big square. Here can be 3 because we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here can be 3 because we have 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. Only place left for 3 in this big square, should be there. So the 4 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those. Here we have a pair. And here we have a pair, okay. Need a 3 and 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So on that row, there are only 2 places left for the 3. Could be here, could be there. We have a 3 here, we have a 3 there. That means in the last column, the 3 should be in one of those 2 boxes. Because here can be a 3, we have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. Here can be a 3 because we have 3 in the third row, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there we see a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 and 3, we have 3 now in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. Alright. 1 and 2. 2 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. We have a 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see 1 this row, no 1 there. Here, 1 in the row below, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Can I count? Nope. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and 3, we have a 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. I marked those 2 boxes with the 3. We have 3 now in this column, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 3. Alright, 1 number left in this first column for number 1. The 2 is missing here. 2 in this first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be there, and I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. Can I count the 2s? Yeah. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 2. 1 number left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next to the last column. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 in the middle column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 9 and a 4, we have a 9 now in the second column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 4 goes there. The 4 in the first column, the 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there, we see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Fine, no 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there, finish in 14 minutes. Well. With 32 minutes. Yeah, faster than 15 minutes. 1 star. Let me give this a 1 star, yeah. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it and solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.